Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to remove background CapCut PC. So I'm going to select one video and one image here, and I'm just going to remove the video background and image background. So how to remove the background? You're just going to tap on the clip and select video, select cutout, and select auto cutout to remove the background. So it has been removed. And to remove the image background in the same way, it's going to video, cutout, and auto cutout. Here we go. You can also add the background with the image. So move up the clip just for duration, the same length. So here we go. That's how to remove background in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.